The frequency with which Playfun makes any particular button input seems to be proportional to how often that button was pressed in the training data that it's working from. In my experience, if a button press doesn't appear at all in the training data, then Playfun will never press that button. But pretty much every NES game requires you to press start at the beginning of the game, and in most cases, this is also the button that you press in order to pause the game, and this becomes a bit of a problem. It'll pause in situations like this, where it can't find a way to beat this boss without dying, or at times like this, where it realizes too late that jumping down this pit wasn't a good way forward. Sometimes it'll eventually unpause and succumb to its fate, but this was a particularly bad situation in which it stayed paused for 10 minutes of in-game time, which in real time is several days of processing. Strangely, I didn't have this problem at all with Mario 1, even though it too requires a start button press. If I ever figure out why, perhaps I'll be able to avoid this pausing conundrum in the future. If you liked this short, you can reward the content AI by hitting that thumbs up, and of course subscribe for tons more content exploring AI playing video games.